Hi, I'm Gleb from Ton Studios and the head of Telegram Mini Apps. Today, we're going to discuss how to make a Telegram bot. I'm quite experienced web and mini apps developer with more than 10 years experience, and I have some info to share with you. However, creating a bot is through simple action. There are some minor steps that some developers missing, and that's why they bot probably that not successful as they could be. So let me explain you further steps how to create proper Telegram bot. Telegram bot is a part of Telegram apps platform, including bots, mini apps, and deprecated platform games. So just forget about the games. Telegram apps and Ton, it's an open, crypto-friendly platform for your business. Feel free to create your Web3 apps on this platform. Creating bot is simple as this. You start a chat with the bot Favor, where you manage all your bots and mini apps. You create a new bot, and then you set up bot meta information necessary to provide info for the users when they enter the bot. You launch the bot further. You have the command list available for this bot. So to create new bot, you either select new bot from the command list or from the menu. I'll pick from the menu new bot command. Alrighty. The bot asking, what's the name for our bot? Let's call it test. Okay, now we should choose a username for the bot. The username should be unique. That's why we need to create something really interesting. Okay, the name for the username for the bot is free and available. And in response from botfather, we got a link to the bot, some info, and most important thing, it's the API token, which we can use to call API methods from Telegram to interact with their backend. You have to keep your token secure and store it very safely. Do not share it with everyone, obviously. And next, one of the most important things for the users, we need to provide information about the bot, which would greet the users when they enter your bot at the first time. So we go to My Bots menu, and we need to select freshly created bot. Okay, and here's all the settings. Let's go to Edit Bot and create bot description. So what can this bot do? Let's say this bot will make us happy. Okay, when we get to the other settings of the bot and we need to provide description picture, I highly recommend to provide animated picture. It could be GIF or MP4 file, MP4 video file, but regular image is fine as well. The key here is to provide valuable information for the user about what your app is capable for, what your app can do, and what values you can deliver to your user. So let's just upload the video. We'll send it to the bot. Okay. And now we need to create a bot avatar. It's called bot pic. It's simply square picture, which Telegram would use to highlight the app in the chat list. Okay, and now let's check the bot and see how it looks. It looks amazing. I have a bot pic, I have an animated picture greeting your new user and new audience, and it tells your audience what can this bot do, what it's capable of. Seems very simple. I hope you can do it. Good luck.